What up guys, it's Airsoft Stuff 1423, back with another video. I'm going to be doing a review on the Stinger p9t. Yes, this gun is actually really cool. It's heavy. The mag release is right there. Oh, there's a string. Holds 15 rounds plus this big thing in the back. Then you just click in, but no, not yet. I also brought a Stinger P311 just to compare the sizes because they're both Stingers. Like I said, I got this one from Airsoft GI a long time ago. They just not came. This one from e-bike. Yeah, no, it's plastic actually. No, it's not that. But anyway, so hold on. But yeah, so, oh sorry, the gun, this is what you do to cock it back. I don't know if you guys can see this or not. It's so easy. It's so, and it's quite easy to cock back, just like this one. This one's louder, so see, and it has working hammer. That one doesn't even have a hammer. Yeah. Anyway, I don't know if you guys saw that, but yeah, I'll set you guys up in a sec, and I'll do a shooting test. Oh no, that'll be in a separate video. Cool thing is when you cock it back. You know what? Set you guys up right now. Bye bye. Let me move some stuff. Okay. And when you cock it back, you can see inside. But this gun's pretty awesome. I already opened it. That's a stupid question. Why did I even say that? I was just outside shooting it, seeing it. The safety is right now. Well, that's safety, and it's white right there, and then it says F, and then I just was in an airsoft store, so I used this, tried it out. It was really cool. When you okay. I'm like grass on my bed. Anyway, yeah, this gun. Sight does not have anything on it, like no orange right there, which I'm pretty sad about. Other than that, this gun's pretty nice. Don't have any bad reviews or no bad comments on this. It works very well. Oh wait, except for that when you cock it back, it doesn't cock back all the way. So that's no problem though. You can take the orange tip off. I would leave it on unless you're like going to like a place or whatever, or keep it in a case. But if you're like in the backyard or something, like I do lots of the time, or I go to Airsoft Tulsa and stuff like that, then yeah, and then I want to go to Airsoft Tulsa for my birthday. Oh, stupid. Can't listen in. So, peace out, guys. I'll do a shooting test on this. Not in this video, separate video. But anyway, see ya.